Hello, this is Dustin with Homemender here for Ideal Security, and today we want to talk about storm door lever style handle replacement. This is a popular handle, but not all of them are the same. Just want to make sure that you're buying the right one. This is Ideal's ML style, SK1215. When buying a new handle, there's three things that you should check to make sure that you get the right one. Number one is this tie down screw. If there's no tie down screw, then this handle will not work for you. Also, you can measure the distance between the lock and the handle. It should be 3 inches. If it's not 3 inches, this handle won't work for you. Now, if your handle passes those first two tests, tie down screw and the distance between the lock and the handle is correct, you're still gonna need to pull it off. The SK1215 has 2 screw holes, not 4 like most competitors. Here's a competitor's handle, SK competitors. Notice that they have 1, 2, 3, 4 screw posts. The SK only has 2. So that's it. Now you should know if your handle is compatible with the SK1215 from Ideal. So for Homemender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.